Good evening, students. Good evening, students. Good evening, all. Join fast. We had just 30 minutes of session. Join fast. My dear students, join fast. Students, join fast. We had just 30 minutes of time. Where you people are? Hari Krishna, Vasu. Join fast. Already 1 minute was over. Join fast. Not even single fellow has joined. 8:31. It was fast. Join fast. If at least one student joins, I can start. Students, hurry up. 8:32. This was foundation course. Yeah, Vasu, good evening. Please come by time. Okay. Very less number of people are joining this foundation course, particularly from 2 days. Okay, I will definitely change timings from Monday onwards. What time is preferable? Okay, we will discuss after some time. Okay, let me start. Vasu, inform to Hari Krishna and rest of your friends. Okay, I am starting with my introduction. Myself, Venkat Krishna. My qualification is MTech Computer Science from IIT Kharagpur. I cracked GATE examination with All India rank 20. I had more than 15 years of teaching experience in training the students in GATE specialization, particularly in 3 different subjects: design and analysis of algorithms, engineering mathematics, and discrete mathematics. Now, welcome to Unacademy. In Unacademy, you can find 2 types of subscriptions. One is a plus subscription, another one is Iconic. Let us see what are the features available in case of plus. In case of plus, you are having 4 features. One feature is live classes. Already you people are experiencing this. So you will be having test series, structured schedule will be there, unlimited practice. Faculty will post questions on the name DPP, daily practicing problems. Very, very important this. So when students go through this DPP, many points will be cleared and they will be experiencing different types of various levels of problems. So it gives a lot of confidence among the students before appearing GATE examination or any competitive examination. Let's see in case of Iconic, 4 features. One feature is personal coach. Personal coach will be appointed. Study planner will be there. You will be having guidelines from experts of subjects, and you will have questions and answers of engineering service examinations. Now let us see. You have, in case of Unacademy Plus or Iconic, you have 1 month subscription, 3 months subscriptions, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months. So these are preferable. You can find a lot of time. And this is most popular subscription. You can see 12 months. Let us talk about this. For 12 months of subscription in Plus, the actual fee is 25,000. If you use my referral code GVK10, you will get 10% off. So 22,500. In case of Iconic, you have fee structure of 45,000 per 1 year. That is for 12 months. If you use my referral code GVK10, you will get subscription for 40,500. And my dear students, one important announcement: these affordable fee structure. This is very, very affordable. So these offers are available up to 19th October only. This is very, very important. So from 20 onwards, the fee structure is going to high. So be careful, students. Good evening, Hare Krishna. ఎలాగో తక్కువ మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ వస్తున్నారు, మీరు ఎర్లీగా జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఐ కెన్ స్టార్ట్ బై టైమ్. We can discuss multiple number of questions, multiple number of topics. Okay, right. If nobody is there, if I start, that won't be look good. At least మీరు ఈ సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ కూడా మీరు ఉండండి. వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ దీస్ ఫీచర్స్. ఇవన్నీ ఫీ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ కదండి. 22,500 అండి 1 year ఫీ స్ట్రక్చర్. బట్ ఈ ఫీచర్స్ అన్ని మీకు 19th October వరకే. తర్వాత నుంచి ఫీ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. I will intimate this fee structure later if you don't take subscription before 19th. Okay, Hare Krishna, Vasu. So from Monday onwards, I'm going to change the timings. Okay, so meanwhile, you can post the preferable timings. So more or less, I will accept. Okay. And these are various payment methods to take subscription either in Plus or in Iconic. This is my referral code. Right. Let us discuss some interesting problems on Laplace and inverse Laplace transforms. Right. This was given to electronics in the year 2000. Here Laplace transform of small f of t is given as s plus 2 divided by s square plus 1. So there are two functions. One is f of t, another is g of t. So their Laplace transforms are given. So this is what capital F of S. Notations are clear. When small f of t is a function in the time variable, its Laplace transform will be denoted by capital alphabet in terms of signal variable. Now g of t, its Laplace transform will be denoted by capital G of S. So this expression is capital G of S. So here h of t is given this. What is this? Can you identify? Integral 0 to t f of capital T into g of small t minus capital T dt. This is one specific product name. What it is? Good evening, Jilani. So this is one particular product. It has a specific name. Have you identified this? If you identify, the answer will be within 30 seconds. 30 seconds is more. Hurry up. Vasu, try to answer. Even if it is wrong, no issues. Hare Krishna. This is what? This h of t equal to integral 0 to small t f of capital T into g of small t minus capital T dt. మీరు ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. వాడు ఏమడుతున్నాడు? లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ హెచ్ ఆఫ్ టీ. దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ లాప్లాస్ ఆఫ్ స్మాల్ హెచ్ ఆఫ్ టీ. బట్ హెచ్ ఆఫ్ టీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే ఈ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఇవాల్యుయేట్ చేయాలి. బట్ జనరల్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్. యూ కెన్ సీ దిస్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ 0 to t f of capital T g of small t minus capital T dt. This is f of t star g of t. Identified? Yes, very good, very good. Convolution product. Very nice, Vasu. Very nice, Hare Krishna. This is a convolution product. Right. Therefore, in this case, h of t is f of t star g of t. So they were asking Laplace transform of h of t. So let me write out, apply Laplace on both sides. This is Laplace of f of t star g of t. Now this is by convolution theorem. This becomes Laplace of f of t dot Laplace of g of t. This is normal product. So you want to multiply change. Capital F of S multiplied with capital G of S. Normal multiplication. So this s square plus 1, this s square plus 1 gets cancelled. This s plus 2, this s plus 2 gets cancelled. So you will get 1 divided by s plus 3. This is Laplace transform of h of t. So this statement is convolution theorem. Simple application of convolution theorem. So 1 by s plus 3. Option B is right answer. Got it? B, 1 by S plus 3. Yes, B is right answer. Option B. Yes, Satish, you are right. Harikrishna, you might have confused. You wrote C. It is B. Okay. It is B. Right. Let me go through question number 2. This was given to electrical students in the year 2010. See, here small f of t is given as L inverse of this function. L inverse of this function. Here limit t tends to infinity. Small f of t is equal to 1. So what is this? This is a final value. So final value of f of t, small f of t, it is given as 1. Now this is inside bracket, you have an expression. So this is what capital F of S. So final value ela find out chestarani meeru. This is the final value. F of infinity. This is limit t tends to infinity, f of infinity. That is given as 1. What they are asking, one expression is missing inside this inverse Laplace, k. So we are supposed to find k value. How to get this? So we have two different versions of final value theorem. So either function మీకు Laplace transform exists అయితే, what will be my Laplace transform? Integral 0 to infinity e power minus st into f of t dt. So the function small f starts its values from 0. So my initial value will be f of 0. My final value will be f of infinity. So here infinity is provided. Infinity is provided. Yes, very good response, Satish. So here f of t tends to infinity. This is f of t. So f of t. But what small f of t ఇవ్వలేదు, capital f of s ఇచ్చాడు. So therefore this is limit s tends to 0. I can write it as s into f of s equal to 1. Is this clear? This has another version of final value theorem because the time variable and signal variables are inversely proportional. As t tends to infinity, s tends to 0. This small f of t is not given, capital F of s is given. So therefore the equivalent value of final value is limit s tends to 0, s into f of s. It is simplified చేద్దాం. Limit s tends to 0, s into capital F of s equal to 1. So this is limit s tends to 0, s into what is capital F of s? 3s plus 1 whole divided by s cube plus 4s square plus k minus 3 into s equal to 1. So here anyhow s is separate. In the denominator you have 3 terms where s is common. So take s common and get cancel out. You can get easily the value of k. Limit s tends to 0, 3s plus 1 by, here I am taking s common, that will be cancelled out with this s. So this is s square plus 4s plus k minus 3 equal to 1. Now you can replace safely s by 0. You won't get any problem. So you will get left side part is 1 by k minus 3 equal to 1. So therefore k minus 3 equal to 1. So hence k equal to 4. I think this is clear. The value of k is 4. So option D is right answer. Is it okay? Right. Next one. Yes, Satish. IIT Dhanbad pursuing triple BTech. Very nice. Very good. Which year, Satish? Which year? Rightly, currently you are in second year, third year, or final year. Are you aspirant or 21 gate? Okay, let's see. Go through question number 3. This was given to Electrical, Electronics and Instrumentation 2012. So here there is a function small f of t. The function is not given, its Laplace is given. So this 1 by s square into s plus 1 is capital F of s. They were asking unilateral. So normal Laplace transform. Forget about unilateral, bilateral. So this was Laplace transform of t power 1 into f of t. So f of t Laplace transform is given. They were asking Laplace transform of small t into f of t. Small t into f of t. So you can apply t power n rule. Laplace of t power 1 into f of t. This is minus 1 whole power 1. Here n value is 1. I am applying multiplication by t power n. Minus 1 whole power 1 into d by ds of capital F of s. So therefore this is minus 1 into d by ds of capital F of s is this 1 divided by s square plus s plus 1. Now you can look at this. This is minus 1 into, this is similar to d by ds of 1 by s. The denominator expression 1 by s అనుకోండి. I mean d by ds of 1 by s అనుకోండి. So what is the d by ds of 1 by s minus 1 by s square? So here s means s square plus s plus 1. So this is minus 1 by s square plus s plus 1 whole square times, but this is not s. So you should multiply with the derivative of s square plus 1. So here what is d by ds of s square plus s plus 1? This is 2s plus 1. So multiply with 2s plus 1. So the final answer becomes 2s plus 1 divided by s square plus s plus 1 whole square. Now you can see b and d are very similar. Have you identified? Here it is a minus symbol. Here it is plus symbol. So option D is right answer. Got it? So this was 2s plus 1 divided by s square plus s plus 1 whole square. Just a multiplication by t power n rule. Now this was given to Electronics 1996. Electronics 1996. The inverse Laplace transform of this function is, they were asking inverse Laplace of this function. Here you can see the power of s is 1. So what is the denominator? S square plus 4s plus 3. In the numerator the highest power of s is 1. In the denominator the highest power of s is 2. 1 is less than or equal to 2. So this can be written as partial fractions. A divided by s plus 1 plus b by s plus 3. Got it? So without doing, we can guess. 1 by s plus 1 is there. So that is Laplace transform of e power minus t. Here 1 by s plus 3 is there. So that is Laplace of e power minus 3t. Now here you can see every option is a linear combination of e power minus t and e power minus 3t. Here you can see e power minus t, e power minus 3t. E power minus t, e power minus 3t. E power minus t like this. ప్రతి ఆప్షన్ లో మీకు e power minus t, e power minus 3t ఉన్నాయి. ఏదైనా ఆప్షన్ లో e power minus t గాని e power minus 3t గాని మిస్ అయింది అనుకోండి, యూ కెన్ ఎలిమినేట్ దట్. రైట్, మీరు ఏ వాల్యూ బి వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు when you compare coefficient of s, మీరు కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ s కంపేర్ చేశారనుకోండి, here you will get a plus b కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ s in this expansion. a plus b వస్తుంది. లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ లో కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ s 1 ఉంది. సో 1 ఈక్వల్ టు a plus b, దట్స్ ఇట్. సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ 2 ఉందండి ఒక వాల్యూ, ఇది ఒక 1 ఉంది. ఈ రెండు నంబర్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తే హియర్ a plus b is not equal to 1, failing, eliminate this. Here a plus b 1, here it is minus 2. So here minus 1 వస్తుంది. This is not equal to 1, failed, eliminate this. Here in case of option D, a plus b is becoming a constant అనుకోండి, ఒకటి b అనుకోండి. Here 1, 2, 3. This is not equal to 1. So B, C, D are failed. So A is right answer. That's it. Option A. Very good. Option A is right answer. Or you can easily find A value, B value. A value find out చేయాలనుకోండి S ప్లేస్ లో -1 రాయండి. ఎందుకంటే పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత మీరు when you cross multiply this S plus 1 coefficient will be B. So take S equal to -1, B will be eliminated, you will get A value. In the next time take S equal to -3, A will go, you will get B value. Simple way. You can also do like this. Okay. Option A is right answer. Next, come to question number 5. Electrical 1995. They were asking inverse Laplace transform of this. The inverse Laplace transform of this function is. Options are like this. See, when you observe, here it is a second degree equation. Then మీరు ఈ ఫార్మాట్ లో రాయొచ్చు. S plus k whole square plus say for example alpha square. So when you have 1 by s square plus alpha square or 1 by s plus k whole square alpha square, you will get sine function as well as cos function. Numerator లో కాన్స్టెంట్ ఉంటే సైన్ ఫంక్షన్ వస్తుంది, s వేరియబుల్ ఉంటే కాస్ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ సిగ్నల్ వేరియబుల్ ఉంది, 9 ఉంది. సో డెఫినెట్లీగా ఆన్సర్ లో మీకు sin t cos 2t రావాలి. యూ కెన్ సి cos 2t sin 2t, cos 2t sin 2t, sin cos, cos sin. Here if you observe this e power -3t is written. అంటే షిఫ్టింగ్ ప్రాపర్టీ అప్లై చేస్తున్నాడు. మీకు ఆప్షన్స్ వస్తే చాలా క్లారిటీస్ వస్తాయి ఎలా ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేయాలనేది దాన్ని. అండర్స్టాండ్? సో వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ దిస్ by factorizing or by doing some manipulations, by magic, doing some magic with the denominator, you can get the formula. Now let us see. L inverse of s plus 9 divided by s square plus 6s plus 13. మీకు 2t కనిపిస్తుంది కదా, అంటే 2 స్క్వేర్ టర్మ్ ఉండాలి. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ L inverse of s plus 9 divided by this. I can write it as s square plus 6s plus 9 plus 4. So the first 3 terms, this will be s plus 3 whole square. So this is L inverse of s plus 9 divided by the first 3 terms will be s plus 3 whole square plus 4. I think this is clear. Okay. Now what it is? L inverse of s plus 9 by s plus 3 whole square plus 4. So 4 I can write it as 2 square. Here in place of s plus 3 is written. So just you recall shifting property. So suppose I have a function f of t. I have a function f of t whose Laplace transform is capital F of s. Then what is the Laplace transform of e power at into f of t, capital F of s minus a, and that is resembling. So here a is going to be -3 identified. So s by s square plus a square ఉందండి. ఈ 9 ని 3 plus 6 గా manipulate చేద్దాం. So this is L inverse of s plus 3 divided by s plus 3 whole square plus 2 square plus L inverse of 6 divided by s plus 3 whole square plus 2 square. So this is s by s square plus a square form. Here అంటే ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్కి వస్తేనేమో a value -3 షిఫ్టింగ్ ప్రాపర్టీ, ఇక్కడికి వస్తే a value 2. So s by s square plus a square, this is the Laplace of cos 80. So ఇక్కడ a value 2 అండి in this case. So in this case a value -3, in this case a value 3. Now this becomes L inverse of s plus 3 by s square plus a square. S plus 3 place లో s assume చేసుకోండి. So L inverse of s by s square plus 2 square. This is the this is nothing but cos 2t. So therefore I can write it as cos 2t. But s is replaced by s plus 3. That is possible when it is multiplied with e power -3t according to this rule, shifting property. Okay. So e power -3t into cos 2t plus, here it is a by s square plus a square. ఇక్కడ a value 2 ఉందండి. సో దీన్ని 3 కామన్ రాద్దాం. 3 times L inverse of 2 divided by s plus 3 whole square plus 2 square. So therefore this is e power minus 3t into cos 2t plus 3 into, again s is replaced by s plus 3. So apply shifting e power minus 3t, a by s square plus a square. Now it becomes sin 2t. So e power minus 3t into cos 2t plus 3 e power minus 3t into sin 2t. Let's go through options. E power minus 3t into cos 2t. E power minus 3 into cos 2t. Yes, option D. E power minus 3t into cos 2t plus 3 e power minus 3t into sin dt. You can see B and D look like almost same. Here it is a minus sign. Here it is a minus sign. Here it is plus sign. Be cautious about this. So when you go through any competitive examinations, examiner will be, they are smart thinkers. They will give options with the changes of plus or minus. They know where students do mistakes. దాని బేస్ చేసుకుని ప్లస్ మైనస్ కాంపిటీషన్స్ ఇస్తాడు. డెఫినెట్లీ ఫ్యూ స్టూడెంట్స్ విల్ డూ మిస్టేక్స్. సో వెన్ ఎవర్ దే గెట్ సమ్ రిజల్ట్, దే గో త్రూ ఆప్షన్స్. ఇఫ్ దే ఐడెంటిఫై ద రిజల్ట్ విచ్ ఈస్ మ్యాచింగ్ విత్ దేర్ ఆన్సర్, దే ఫీల్ దట్ దే ఆర్ రైట్, దే ఆప్ట్ ఇట్. They don't check it. So be cautious. This point is clear. Okay, students. So in this case, it is option D. Got this point? Now we will solve one more problem. Suppose small f of t is given like this, 2 times t by pi square root. Its Laplace is given as capital F of s is given as s power minus 3 by 2. So they were asking Laplace of g of t. G of t is given. Laplace of g of t equal to 1 by f of t. G of t is given. They were asking g of s. How to do this? Students, answer please. Small f of t is given. Function is given, small f of t. Its Laplace is given in terms of signal variable. Another function g of t is given, and they were asking capital G of s. It means that this answer depends on this one. This answer depends on this s power minus 3 by 2. How to do this? Any ideas? Please observe closely the variable expression in case of f of t and g of t. F of t, g of t lo close of the observation close chain. Okay, so just you observe very closely. Here t is written in the numerator, here it is in the denominator. So ఈ function t తో divide చేస్తే చాలు. So therefore f of t divided by 2t equal to g of t. So Laplace of g of t, this is a Laplace of f of t divided by 2t. Division by t rule, 1 by 2 into integral s to infinity capital F of s ds. If you simplify this, I am writing directly answer. So I did not calculate this. Anyhow, this is a simple integral. So this is half into integral s to infinity s power minus 3 by 2 ds, x power n rule. So this is s power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Apply the limits, you will get some answer. That's it. Is it clear? T into f of t కాదు సతీష్, ఈ f of t ని ఇక్కడ న్యూమరేటర్ లో ఉంది కదా t. Here t is in the numerator. Here t is in the numerator. Here it is denominator. So మీరు f of t by 2t ఈ 2 క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తేనే మీకు z of t వస్తుంది. Got it? So you can simplify this, you will get some result. Okay, so let me stop it. You people did not say the timings, so I am closing the session. Timings Can we go? We don't have any YouTube class tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Again, we are having YouTube class foundation course again on Monday. So I think this 8:30 to 9 timings are clashing with aptitude class. Can we go for morning? Okay, Monday I will go for one morning session. If at all there is some difficult, again we will go for some changes. Okay, so I cannot say directly like this, but from Monday we will go for timings in the morning session. Okay, just wait for a few minutes. This is official pediatrics channel where you can find more than 10,000 members. This is our Telegram channel where you can get links of our live classes every day and notes in PDF format as soon as class is completed. These are India's #1 study channels running by Unacademy. That's why I said earlier this was the best. Thanks a lot, guys. Thank you so much. Tomorrow we are having 3 special classes on differential equations in Unacademy. First class, lecture 10. Already we completed lecture 1 to lecture 9. So it is 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. differential equations special class DEs. Don't think that this is digital electronics, differential equations. Lecture 11, 10:45 to 11:45 a.m. Lecture 12, 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. 17th October. Tomorrow. Don't miss classes. All right. See you guys. Good night. Thanks a lot.